When it comes to flexibility and fitness, gardening combines elements of aerobic exercise, stretching, and strength training in one enjoyable outdoor activity. In order to realize the full benefits of their efforts and avoid some of the potential pitfalls, the American Chiropractic Association recommends that gardeners undertake warm-up exercises before they expose their backs, upper legs, shoulders, and wrists to these gardening-related stresses. It is a good idea for gardeners to stretch their triceps and hamstrings as well as their upper bodies by doing this particular exercise. With your fingers woven together and palms up, stretch for the sky. It's very important to be aware of proper lifting and bending techniques as well, such as kneeling instead of bending. One of the stretches that we highly recommend to warm up your low back is called the dog and cat stretch. This is simply done by getting on all fours, making sure that your knees are directly underneath your hips and your hands are directly underneath your shoulders. Next, howl at the moon like a dog or wolf would. Raise your head and lower your tummy. Feel the stretch. After this, we will do the cat. With the cat, tuck your chin to your chest and arch your back. These two simple stretches are fantastic anytime your low back starts to feel tight and you just need some relief. You see, some gardeners develop a habit of bending over while weeding or planting. Chiropractors discourage people from bending or twisting their backs in the garden. So instead, you may want to kneel to pull out those annoying weeds or spread some mulch around the flowers. Anytime that you lift, make sure you keep that plant or bag of mulch close to your body and bend your knees. We wish you the best in this gardening season. And remember, if you start to have aches or pains that last 2 days in a row, please give our office a call.